In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timeline view to your Trello boards now. 5 minutes. First, sign in to Trello with your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the board where you manage your tasks or projects. If you're juggling due dates or planning a sprint, this is the board you'll want to use for the timeline view. At the top left of your board, look for your board's name and the board drop-down area. Nearby, you'll find the View Switcher. This is Trello's quick way to move beyond the standard list view and see your work from different angles. Click the View Switcher to open the menu of available views. You'll see a few options here depending on your plan and workspace settings. Choose Timeline. The moment you select it, Trello will enable Timeline for your board and switch you over. Your board now appears as a horizontal timeline with dates running across the top and your cards positioned according to their schedules. If a card doesn't have dates, it won't appear here, so consider adding a start date and a due date to any important cards to make the most of this view. Timeline is especially helpful for spotting overlaps, gaps, and bottlenecks at a glance, which is hard to do in a standard list. From here, managing dates is fast and visual. Click and drag a card left or right to move it earlier or later in time. If your card has a duration, grab the edge of the bar and stretch it to extend or shorten the time frame. This is perfect for when a task takes longer than expected or when you're able to pull something forward. Trello saves these adjustments instantly, so you don't need to open each card to edit dates manually. All of the date changes you make in Timeline sync across your boards. That means if you drag a card to next week here, the new dates are reflected wherever that card appears, keeping your team aligned without extra overhead. If you don't see the View Switcher or Timeline option, check that you have the right permissions and that your workspace plan supports advanced views. Also remember that clear card titles and labels make the timeline easier to read, and adding members to cards helps everyone know who's responsible as the schedule shifts. That's it. You've enabled Timeline, learned how to view your cards over time, and adjusted schedules with simple drag and drop. Thanks for watching.